Normally, when someone wants to hide a file or folder, there are two common methods. 1. Using a blank name and transparent icon. You can hide a folder by giving it no name. To do this, hold the Alt key and type 255 on the number pad. This creates a blank name. Next, right-click the folder, go to Properties, Customize, Change Icon, and choose a transparent icon. This creates the illusion of an invisible folder. 2. Marking it as hidden through Properties. Right-click the folder, select Properties. Under Attributes, check the hidden box. To see it again, go to Folder Options, View tab, turn on Show Hidden Files and Folders and Drive. The hacker's technique ensures the file or folder remains hidden even when the visibility option is still enabled. Let me demonstrate this on my pen drive. I have a file here. So what you need to do is open your terminal. If you don't have command prompt here, just click in here and select command prompt. Or better still, go to settings and change your default profile to command prompt. We can achieve this with just a simple command, which is attrib +H +S+R and the folder name. Just hit the tab key to autocomplete. What does this mean? Now, if I right click here and go to Properties, as you can see, the attribute here says hidden. This is the same attribute we are talking about. The plus here means we are setting a parameter, and in this case, the H is for hidden. S here is to make our folder a system file, and then the R here is to archive our folder. Then I tap the enter key, then it fade out a little bit. We are only seeing it at the moment because we have this option turned on. But let me just refresh here so you can see. Now the file is gone, even though we have the show hidden file or folder enabled. So how do you access this file? Well, you can just use the full path in the address bar. Take notes. First of all, I'm already in my drive F, which is my pen drive. So all I'm going to do is to type my folder name. And that's all. These are the files within those folders. You can also access these files from the command line. Type start, then the folder name. You can see it. Now let's say you hit so many files that you couldn't remember the name of all those folders. The command you need to type is dir/ah. The dir will just list the file in your directory, and the /ah stands for attribute hidden. We will make it only list the files with the hidden attributes. So when I hit enter, you realize the only folder I have hidden here is the one showing. Now to clear this attribute, all you need to do is type attrib-h-s-r and the folder name. If I go back to our folder, now my folder should be displayed now. Let's say you are in an environment where there are other people using different operating systems like Mac OS or Linux. What you need to do is to rename your file proceeding with a dot. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, so as it boots up, I will hide the folder once more. For those of you who don't know, this is the operating system for hacking. Now as you can see, even though we hid this folder completely on Windows, it is still showing here. So what I was telling you earlier is make sure the file name proceeds with a dot. So I'll just rename it this way, and voila, it's gone. To access your hidden folder, you can just go in here and select show hidden file, or use the shortcut command Ctrl+H to view or hide in the file. But if you are like me and you want to do it from the terminal, right click and select open in terminal. Type dir or ls to list the file in your current directory. Notice the hidden folder is not showing. To view any hidden file or directory, type ls-a. And now we have our secret folder showing over here. To open the hidden folder in your file manager, just type the command open, then the folder name. Remember, your hidden folder precedes with a dot. And voila, there you have it. This is also going to work on Mac. Guys, this is all I have. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Wow, if you stayed till the end, run attrib-? to get more information on the command. Thank you again for watching. Catch you in my next video. Bye.